Today, I want to share something really important, especially if you're a Nigerian or you're an African based here in Nigeria or based in Africa. When I first created my UK TikTok account, I thought it was like the best move ever. But later, I realized that there were like many hidden things that I didn't know about before creating that TikTok account. So in this video, I will break down my experience, the pros, the cons, the challenges, and the things I wish I knew before I created my first UK TikTok account. I'm going to share all of that with you here. If you're new here, my name is Gerald. I make easy to follow tutorials, so I advise you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and at the end of this video, you should share this with any creator which would like to gain this knowledge that I'm sharing in this video. At first, I thought that maybe by creating a UK TikTok account, I was going to tap into a larger audience, get brand deals, and even get monetized faster. But in reality, that wasn't the case. There were so many challenges I faced because a lot of your top content creators have lied to you. A lot of them will sugarcoat this whole UK TikTok thing and make it sound like it's the best thing after sliced bread. But in reality, the case is different. So in this video, you should just stick around. I'm going to share all of my experience, like I said earlier. And at the end of the video, you're going to learn some of the things that I wish I learned earlier before creating that first UK TikTok account. If you haven't created a UK TikTok account, I'll leave you can click here and take you to the video which I made on how to create a UK TikTok account. It's very easy. You don't have to pay anybody for it. Or better still, I'll leave a link in the description below. All right. So when you're done watching this video, then you can just click on that and go and create your first TikTok or first UK TikTok account. It's easy and very, very straight to the point. All right. So without wasting much time, let's get down to business. So I'll be sharing 5 things that I wish I knew earlier before creating my first UK TikTok account. Number one, getting 10K followers is not an automatic ticket for you to get monetized. A lot of people will tell you that as soon as you get to 10,000 followers and probably 100,000 views, then you automatically get monetized. But that's not the reality, all right? Yes, these are the criteria for getting monetized, but you get to 10,000 followers or hitting the 100,000 views doesn't get you monetized immediately. There are so many other things that you need to consider. First of all, when you get to these 10,000 followers and then you get to 100,000 views and you apply, TikTok is going to scan your page, going to scan your account carefully. All right. So if you're getting both followers or followers that are not adding up, or some of the views doesn't really add up, then you're in for a big surprise. You won't get monetized. All right. So you will still have to get like organic followers that make that are organic, and your views also need to be organic. So some people will tell you that okay, fine, they're going to sell both views for you or both followers, and at the end of it, you're going to get monetized. No, my dear, you're going to get in for a shocker. All right. So make sure that whatever you're doing, the followers are getting and the views are getting are all organic. All right. This is very, very important. The number 2 thing on the list is that you don't immediately break into the UK TikTok community. All right. By only UK TikTok account doesn't really guarantee you that your videos are going to get into the UK TikTok community. Like people from UK are going to watch. And a lot of your gurus are going to tell you that when you get a UK TikTok account, you're going to get UK views, you're going to get people from UK from your accounts. In reality, that's not the case. All right. TikTok already tracks your region, your network provider. Aside your region, they track your network provider where you're getting your data from. Like you're making use of MTN. And now MTN is located here in Nigeria, so they'll always try use things like that, little things like that to track you. Even though you're using VPN and all of that, it's won't really help. Someone will tell you that maybe if you use Starlink, it doesn't really help. They'll still track your location. So what TikTok does is that when you track your location, that's still going to push your video first to people around you, people within your region. If you're in Nigeria, they'll push your video to people within Nigeria. If you're in Abuja, Nigeria, they'll first push your video to people around Abuja, Nigeria, then Lagos, some of the top cities around you in your country, before even pushing it out to the UK TikTok community or also international community. So it's not like an automatic ticket that you're going to just break into this community. It doesn't work like that. If anyone have been telling you that you're going to break into UK TikTok community by only UK TikTok accounts, then that person has lied to you. All right, these are some of the lies that were sold to us. But in this video, I'm trying to expose it and be as honest as possible with you guys. So if you decide to go into this, you should have all of this at the back of your mind. All right. So the number 3 thing is that after you get monetized, let's say you have gotten all of these criteria and your page has been scanned and you got monetized. The number 3 thing is need to do is that your videos, whichever video you're uploading, must be at least 60 seconds long. From experience, I wouldn't say professionally, from experience, I will advise you to say this video should be 61 seconds long. And here's the thing: when you upload a video, you TikTok automatically removes 1 second. I don't know why they do that. I have no idea why they do that, but they automatically remove 1 second from the video. So I would advise you that any video you're uploading should be at least that's 1 minute 1 second long or 61 seconds. And here's the thing: any video that's below 60 seconds, you won't be able to make money from that video no matter how viral the video goes. All right, so for a video to be eligible to make money, it must be after you monetize this, after your monetize your account, it must be at least 60 seconds long. All right, so that's what I always advise that whichever video you're making, make sure at least 61 seconds or longer. It shouldn't be less than that, because if you upload 60 seconds, TikTok going to move 1 second from there, and the video won't be eligible to make money. So whatever the number of views that you make on that video, even though make millions and millions and millions of views, you're not going to make money from it. All right, so that's something you should put at the back of your mind. I've expressed this, I made this mistake, and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys here. All right. The fourth thing is that you only make money from countries that are eligible for monetization. All right. So here's the thing. Now, if you upload a video and your video gets 1 million views, TikTok are not going to pay you for 1 million views. They're going to pay you for the views that comes for the countries that are eligible. Let's say countries like the UK, Canada, US, Italy, and some of the countries are eligible. UK, TikTok are going to pay you with only for the views that comes from these countries. So let's say you have 1 million views, like I gave example earlier, and then like 100,000 of those views are from Nigeria or from Africa, or let's say 500,000 of those views are from Africa, or countries that are not eligible to monetize. TikTok are not going to pay you for that. They're not going to pay you for this number of views. They're going to pay you only for the countries that are eligible for this monetization. So this is something you should have at the back of your mind. So whatever content you're making, you should know your target audience. All right. So if you're making content to target Nigerians, yeah, you won't make much from that. Because why? Not because we're a bad audience. At this way, and then Nigerian audience are very good, are very active also on TikTok, but they won't just make you money from this monetization program. So this is something you should have at the back of your mind. So if you're making videos, you should whichever niche you're targeting, you should make sure you're targeting entire one country, so that when you get monetized, you'll be able to make money from all of your content. All right, and you won't be heartbroken at the end of the day, like what I've experienced in the past. And the fifth and final thing I wish I knew earlier before creating my Facebook account is the withdrawal process. A lot of people will tell you that, okay, when you monetize, can withdraw directly to your Nigerian bank account. It doesn't work that way. All right, you TikTok provides some payments method, eligible payment method, and the easiest one I can get is PayPal. All right, so when you have a PayPal account, you can always get a PayPal account from people there are so many vendors online who offer you PayPal accounts, or people around you which can get PayPal account from to withdraw your funds. However, if you're having challenges finding someone to get a PayPal account, you can always contact me. Always find someone which is very credible to help you collect your funds on your UK TikTok account. So the withdrawal the withdrawal method is always a challenge for a lot of people. So if you're creating a UK stock account, just put at the back of your mind and prepare for it that at the end of the day, you need a withdrawal method. All right. So you should already prepare ahead for that. Don't get to that bridge and try to cross it. All right. Let's make sure that you get it. You have something set up already. All right. Just to get ready for that challenge ahead. It's like me. And I think I made a video on my channel how to create uh how to create no, it wasn't a UK PayPal account, sorry. I created a video on how to create PayPal account to be able to receive money and send money. It's somewhere on my page. I'm also going to leave it in the description below. So if you need to watch that video and learn how to create your own PayPal account to be able to withdraw your own money, you can go there and watch that video. All right. It's very, very helpful. So it's creating a UK account versus Nigeria, living in Nigeria, worth it. I would say it depends, right? It depends on what your target is. If you're trying to target to get monetized and then make money from it, then yeah, I think that's worth it. But if you're thinking of tapping into the UK community, getting more brand deals from international bodies, I don't think that would work. It's I don't think that would work from my experience though. I don't think that will work. But if you're looking to get monetized and make money from TikTok, that would definitely work perfectly for you. So if you're a Nigerian creator living in Nigeria and you're looking at creating a UK TikTok account, I hope this video helps you make a more informed decision. But however, if you have created a UK TikTok account before in the past and you have experienced any challenges, just tell us your experience in the comment section below. All right. And you can share experiences that will also learn from you. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, like this video, and also share this video with other content creators. So this might help them as well. All right. So see you guys in the next video.